Welcome to the Thomas and Freinds Games World's Strongest Engine. Scrambled eggs and minis. The mini on the losing side will get made into some delicious scrambled eggs.
I love some scrambled eggs. I'm gonna cook some up right now.
Now don't you dare! This frying pan's occupied. Find yourself another one.
Starting things off with Henry versus Thomas. Next up, Stephen versus Ben.
This is no way to treat a Power Ranger. Oh no, what is that up there? Looks like it's coming right at me. Oh, they dumped milk on you! And now they're gonna mix it all up.
And now, Peter, Sam versus Dash. Do-over. Finishing up the quarterfinals with Rosie versus Porter.
Oh, that's hot! Get me off of here! I'm not butter!
Time for the semi-finals with Henry versus Stephen.
What have I gotten myself into? What happened? I've been pelted with some sort of I don't even know what that is, some sort of a spice.
Stephen goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Peter, Sam, or Porter?
Look out!
Ouch! What was that for? You landed right on my head!
Oh no! A frying pan! This is not good!
You know, minis are not one of the 4 main favorites! You should get us out of here now! Did you have to turn on the heat? No one likes melted plastic in their food!
Yeah! When's the last time you heard someone order an omelet with minis in it? Never gonna happen! Alright, I think that's enough. We're scrambled now. Let's stop before someone gets hurt.
I held onto this fork so I wouldn't go in that hot frying pan! I'm not letting go for anything! You can't shake me off! I'm so glad!
Final round. Peter, Sam versus Stephen.
I love scrambled eggs! They're my favorite! Ew! What's this all over it? Ew, no, get this off of me! Is it blood? Oh, it's ketchup! Ew, ketchup on scrambled eggs? That's disgusting! Yuck! Well, I'm still hanging on! I told you guys I wasn't letting go for anything!
Peter, Sam is the winner. Congratulations. Here, have some breakfast. Be sure to click subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you think this video is excellent.